Welcome back to Lens Life. In this video, I will teach you guys how to do these type of texts in Filmora 9.
Welcome to the computer. So in the first section we want to open up is titles, and we're going to go to search. We search for default text. There we go, default text, default title. And we split these into two sections. You can also add them together, but then they'll be faster. So first, your first title. That's going to be my first title, and my second title will be my name, Ian Sillen. Now we're going to go check out which font we want. Snap ITC, that's the one. Snap ITC is a really nice one. I like it. I use it in a lot of projects actually. I don't always post them though, but yeah, I do use this one in a lot of projects. Now you can maybe make one a little bit bigger than the other. Okay, I like to go really big on there, and then, well, you can rescale them. Maybe like that. Boom. Maybe a little smaller. There we go. This one I want like that, and then this one we rotate the other way around just for the effect. About the same size, like so, and then go to 150. It won't go bigger than this box unless you stretch the box a little bit further. That's perfect. And then now we just go to animation. Okay, we take the up down one. This one, yes, and we just double click it on both. There we go. Film by, and then Ian Sillen, there we go. And now we actually just check this out. It takes a little while, so we want to really decrease the time in this. And maybe like that, and we put them a little closer, like one frame like that. There we go. There we go. I like that. So this is perfect. Now we go to effects, filters, shake, mild. Very simple. That's what we do. And now let's see what this looks like again. See, now it's shaking a little bit. It's moving a little bit, which looks nice. We might want to add a little bit longer time for both. Just like so. Move this one a little bit further. Let's check this out. Yeah, I like this. This is perfect. Okay, now we're going to bounce the footage. Well, we first can render it. Make sure you always render your footage before you bounce it. Bouncing footage is basically exporting it into a high quality, high resolution. So we go to settings, we make sure it's on the highest bitrate, and make sure that the resolution is equal to your footage, or else it's not going to look good if it's going to be clearer than your footage. So for example, the footage I will use will be 1920 by 1080, so that's what I'm going to use. And it's going to be at 30 FPS, so I'm going to export it as 30 FPS. Okay, so now our text is bounced, so let's check that out. I think that looks really beautiful, so let's just clear this out. We don't need this timeline anymore. There we go. And we grab our video, and we want to check out from where we want that text to pop first. So I'm thinking right here. Well, maybe a couple of frames back. There we go. I think this is beautiful. Right here where it will pop right at the crosswalk. So yeah. There we go. And we split this one. We delete this one. Boom. Done. And well, we can trim this a little bit further there. Move this a little bit ahead. There we go. And actually I want to slow this one down just a little bit. Okay, I did it to 80% instead of 100%. 100% is full. 80% is a little slower. And we want to stretch this footage out just a little bit, like so. let's check this out. First render, of course. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, wait, my bad. Before I forget, we go to Chroma Key and we click anywhere on this block, and let the magic happen. There we go. Watch this. Okay, I like it, but I think the text might be a little bit too big, so it's easy to fix. We grab this one, we lock the bottom one, and we just rescale it. There we go. We can do that. Let's check this out again.
If you guys want to support the channel, there will be a couple of affiliate links down below, and also a donation link to PayPal down below as well. Feel free to check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.